This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sell things on Lazada. First, navigate to the Lazada Seller Center website and click on Become a Seller. You'll need to register your account, providing essential details like your phone number and email. After that, complete your seller profile by submitting required documents, such as your business registration or personal identification. Once verified, you can set up your shop name and logo, making your store ready for product listings. To attract buyers, optimizing your product listings is crucial. Upload at least 3 to 5 high-resolution images showing your product from various angles. Craft compelling descriptions that clearly outline features, benefits, and specifications. Incorporate relevant keywords to improve search engine visibility. Finally, set competitive prices and accurately manage your inventory to avoid overselling, ensuring a smooth shopping experience for your customers. Efficient order management is key to customer satisfaction. When an order comes in, process it promptly, ideally within 24 hours. Carefully package your items to prevent any damage during transit. You can utilize Lazada's integrated shipping services or choose your preferred courier partner. Remember to consistently track your shipments and provide timely updates to your customers, ensuring they know exactly when to expect their delivery. To truly grow your Lazada business, actively engage in marketing and provide exceptional customer service. Participate in Lazada's numerous campaigns and promotions to boost your product visibility and sales. Respond to all customer inquiries quickly, aiming for a response time of just a few hours. Encourage buyers to leave reviews and ratings, as positive feedback builds trust. Regularly analyze your sales data to identify top-performing products and areas for strategic improvement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.